Hello and welcome to Audrey the ICONN Adventures. Today I'm going to share some of the modifications we've made to the kitchen area on Audrey. Here we are with the kitchen set up, and as you can see it's swung out significantly more than what the standard setup is. I'll show you how I did that. Got the standard bracket that comes with the camper there, and I've just made a small bracket right here, a couple of holes so we can adjust how far we swing it. And that gives us the extra angle, and that actually gives us a lot more usable space in the kitchen area if you happen to be trapped under the awning due to some inclement weather, or even just to get away from the sun. So it makes it so it's not so squishy. Another popular modification, towel rail on the front there. Campgrounds are never flat, and occasionally the kitchen ends up high to the point that the legs here don't even reach the ground. So made some extenders for the legs, mounted in there, use them as we need them. Alright, come down here, condiment holders for the salt, pepper, sauces, cooking oils, and our preferred choice of red/Bushmans. Then the lid here, we cut that nearly 2 years ago now, and it's just made it so good. You can have your dirty dishes sitting here and you're still able to get in and out of the cutlery without having to move everything around. Under here, took out the box that was there, and now you can put full size cling wrap, alfoils, etc. I just made a small aluminium cover up the back to hide the ugly split tube. So that's there. Replace this lid in its entirety and got a little creative so that we can fold it up out of the way. It now stands up out of the way to allow access in and out. Really handy for when you're doing the dishes and you want to put things away as you go. Tuck it up like that, so like that, all lifted up traditional style. The next modification, and it's only been in here for 3 or 4 months now, is we got rid of the black mesh. And in its place, some polycarbonate doors. So held up by magnets, so makes it nice and easy to see what is in your cupboard or in your pantry, and keeps the mice out. We have had the mice make their way in at various campgrounds, so they don't get past polycarb. No more jammed zips. We had that happen a few times and very annoying. So black mesh gone. Now we've got some nice polycarb doors. To be able to see in there is very beneficial. You can see the old grey box and the cooking trays. And at night, instead of the light that was there when you turned it on, all it did was blind you. Pan around to here. We popped it on the end of the kitchen, so now it shines directly into the pantry area or down here into your cutlery tray, so you can actually see what you're doing. So there's some of the modifications that we've made to Audrey's kitchen area. Hope that gives you a little bit of inspiration, and we know that some of our camping frags, hello Greg and Helen, have already done the doors. So enjoy your camping, and hopefully we get to see you out on the trail sometime. Thank you and goodbye.